Hi, Chris with Mr. Drippy Plumbing. Sorry we're late. So straight up, no cap, this thing right here got drip. You know what I mean? It looked tight, but on the same time, you do got a drip down here. I actually need to go to lunch right now. So what you got is your cold side's not working. Pretty basic part, every plumber carries it. You wouldn't happen to have one, would you? Different kind of drip, not the drip you want, but don't worry, I got that Riz. I'm gonna put it on there, no cap. This ain't gonna be popping when I get done with it. So I'll be back, what is it, 12 on Tuesday? I'll be back next week.